compartments in there. More compartments underneath there where we keep the anchors. Another compartment over there. Down inside of here is a where you can keep your skis and things. It's got a Bluetooth stereo. Right at 290 hours, I believe. This seat swivels around. Oh, I can't do that with one hand. You've got storage underneath each one of these. This ripped, so you can barely even tell, but this has been new upholstered at a place in Springfield, but you can barely tell between the three seats. But yeah, that one had a rip, so we went ahead and reupholstered it. But it's got plenty of storage underneath, storage inside of here. Got the battery out currently. I keep it on a trickle charger. Details of the motor. Motor compartment's very clean. No leaks. There is a 12-inch sub in it. I can take that out or leave it, doesn't matter to me.